Alright, here's my take on the Van Halen scale. In 2 words, it's pitch axis. Now, whether he's conscious of doing that, I don't know, but with the blues background and a dad that knew jazz pretty much inside and out, this is pretty common. So what we have here is we have a root note, the root note being A. We'll use A for the example of I'm the One, that's in A. And he also does it in Jump and a few others, but it's the same concept that you would just take to the other key center. So our tonal center here is A. All right, and here is the Mixolydian scale, which is synonymous with blues. And here is the A Dorian scale, A again, which again is synonymous with blues. Incidentally, if you mix these two together, you get some pretty traditional blues phrasing patterns. So there's that. Now we take this down and turn A Dorian into the blues scale. There's A Dorian blues by simply adding that D sharp there, sharp 5. And let's go back a little bit. A Mixolydian belongs to the key of D major. That's the parent scale. A Dorian belongs to the key of G major. That's the parent scale. All right, A Dorian blues, same thing, belongs to G major here, but we're just adding this sharp 5 to give it that blues flavor. A lot of licks are played with these notes here. And then you can see that here's that D major, here's that D sharp. It repeats there, there's the octave. Now with the Dorian blues scale, we get this sharp 5 here. That gives us that bluesy sound. And here's its octave. And then here, what we have is that same note in a different position. So you can do various phrasing options with these notes here, which I talk about a little bit in the key to guitar. And then we move to the natural minor scale, which puts us in the key of